Seatbelts, everyone!
Oh, you hit me with a freaking fuck. Thinking about Optimus every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so.
They're a key to opening the gate that will lead us
To hell?
No.
There's no common sense. Oh, nice. What was that? Look at this. Yeah.
Oh, you're the Superman.
Yes, I am the man of Superman. Look at me. Yeah. Okay, cool.